Alright, good people, welcome back to my channel. And in today's tutorial I'll be showing you something new, something that you need to know. If you are doing photo editing, this is something you have to know. So first of all, we are going to open the Play Store. I'm going to show you the app that you are required to have. So on Play Store, let's type there is this app that I found. It's so good to erase your photo background, any background automatically. So this app is called PhotoRoom. So make sure you download the PhotoRoom. So let's open it, because I've already downloaded it. We are going to open it. So after you have installed this app, now you open it, and let's come here, start from photo. So we are going to click there to add our photo that we need to erase the background. And I want you to observe to see how easy it is, how it does it in just 1 minute. So you see it scans the photo to erase the background. Now that is it. Here you can decide to save the way it is as a PNG, so that you can open another photo editing app that you have and use it there to edit the way you want. Or there is here down here background. You can choose the background that you need. There is this colored background, where you have to choose the colors of the background as per your desire. But what I found so interesting is you can use the app, the downloaded. You can choose the images from your gallery. Also, it has the another backgrounds that you can use apart from this solid colored background. So we can use other backgrounds, like we have studio backgrounds here. Here you can check the color. These are the studio backgrounds. So let's say we have chosen this color. Let's go. So we are going back and we select our photo here. We select our photo, then we need to adjust the colors. We have the warmth, where we reduce the warmth as per how you see your things. You can add the highlights or reduce the highlights. Okay, you can decide and save like that. So we're going to save. So in the first section we've saved like that. So let's try again to change the background. This time let's choose the white. Now on this case, there is a background that you can type here the type of background that you need. So I'm going to type bridge. So these are bridge. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, now you have chosen like that one. Another thing I'm going to do is come here, select the photo, come here and adjust the color, warmth. I can adjust the warmth to match my background. So negative 27 warmth. All right. So another interesting thing, we can also edit the background. We can edit the background like that. We can choose to blur the background, the intensity of the blur of the background. So as you see here, there are different types of blur here. We have Gaussian, motion, box, and disk. So you can also adjust the intensity of the background, how you feel it looks good for you. So in this case, I'm gonna leave there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save my image again. So, and I can share it directly to my Lightroom. So we are going to open Lightroom to color grade. So I'm going to share it direct to Lightroom. And here it is. So in Lightroom, we are going to select auto first to. So we again go to light. There is a graph here.